What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna be taking the charger to the car wash for the first time, because as y'all see, she needs it really bad. Like, this is bad. I've never washed it, so I figured why not make a video on the first day, or the first time of washing it. But I'm gonna give y'all a cold start. I don't got nothing to prop my camera up on, so we're just gonna start it from here. Y'all just wait till I start doing my exhaust stuff for this car. I gotta get a bumper first, and then I will start doing the exhaust, because I can't with the V6 bumper. But right here. I hope it's focused. It's definitely not. I can't see that far. But I'm gonna let this car warm up. We're gonna go to the car wash, and then I'll give a little POV type drive, and then I'll record some at the car wash, me like actually washing the car, do a POV drive home, and then that's gonna be that. So catch y'all when the car warm up. See, we got a carbon trim on it. Carbon trim. Don't mind the engine or the lights. I'm working on it. But y'all, like, this car don't even get bad gas mileage. See that? 17.9. I get like, I think I get like 330 miles to a full tank, which is really good considering this is a V8. That's how much I got like the same in my Mustang, and y'all know it's an EcoBoost, so it's 4-cylinder. And think about it, I got 330 in that with 22 miles a gallon. I just know that it's hot as balls. And it says it's only 82 degrees outside. I don't believe that, but that's what it says. I don't believe it at all, actually. I just need my mufflers cut off. A lot of people tell me to go like resonator delete and muffler delete, but I might go mufflers just for now. We better pull in, so I'll pick your boys up in just a second. Like, I'm sweating just from with the windows down. I'm sweating. yeah, man, as I see, we just finished. Got out. It's clean now, as you see. One more. I missed the spot right there. Oh, you know what? I don't have any quarters to vacuum my car out. And that's all this takes is quarters. Turn the air on and turn it up. Jeez. But yeah, I'm finna head home now. My dog's probably gonna pee on my tire the second I get home. Does it every time. It's only when I wash my car though. No other time. Alright, I have one Scat Pack rim for sale. And I have it listed for 120. Should I do 50? Should I do it for 50? I'll show y'all what it looks like. What y'all think? Should I sell it for 50? Drop in the comments below if y'all think I should do 50, or drop in the comments if you think I should do 120, because that's what I have it listed for, is 120. Ooh, that AC feel good. But actually, screw that. If you think I should do 50, like the video. If you think I should do 120, like, comment, and subscribe. Because if you haven't liked, comment, and subscribed, then like, what are you doing? You need to lock in. You gotta, because you know we finna blow up over summer, so y'all need to lock in before it's too late and you can't say that you was here at the start. Because I want as many people here at the start as possible to say that they was with me at the start before I blew up. Because I'm from a small town and everybody know everybody, so I'm trying to put my town on the map. Like, it's so small you can't even call it a city. But I think if you look up my town, it's literally called, I think it's a town. Like, it's what it's listed under, not a city. But I'm finna give y'all some POVs on the way home, and then that's gonna end the video. So I'll end the video when I get back home. You know what I really want to learn is manual mode. Like, I don't know how to shift. Like, is that bad? Is that like bad that I don't know how to use paddle shifters? I don't know how to shift, do none of that. Like, well, I can shift. I don't know when to downshift. That's my problem, is I don't know when to downshift. Also, y'all should let me know. So I'm gonna murder this car out, because I actually have a black car now. I mean, I basically murdered the Mustang out. Literally, the only thing that wasn't murdered out on the Mustang was the color of the car. So should I get front windshield tint eventually? Because everything else is tinted, and it looks a lot darker, even though it's the same tint as the Mustang. Oh, no. This car's on my butt. Like, bro, speed limit 25. They don't play. Bro, get off. That's the thing I hate about like living in a small town. Like, a lot of people are like, it's like a town you just kind of pass through. They're not from here, so they don't know. Like, dog, you can't speed in this town. You go to jail for going 30. I always almost miss this stop sign right here, cause it, like, I don't know, I just don't expect it to be here. And that tree used to be like hanging down over it. You know what else I want to do? Change that to like Hemi or RT or something. I feel like that'd be kind of cool. Should I move to Atlanta? Like, what do y'all think? Should I, like, after I get a full-time job and get more money, should I move to Atlanta? I mean, literally, basically all my friends live there. Like, Lo lives there, Jock lives there, Saint lives there, like, everybody lives there. Well, Jock lives in Columbus, I think, but like, all my friends live there, and like, that's like one of the closest places to me for like car stuff, like meets and all that, because like Commerce, like, there's not really big, like, the car shows around here are like the older cars, and I know y'all probably don't care to see that, y'all want to see fast stuff. But I'm the same way. I want fast stuff. Like, I'm gonna have an older car when I get older, and like make it like one of them fast cars with like the big blower or whatever. But just until now, like, I'm young. I'm only 18, so I want fast right now. I will say, I do want a dunk. I want one of those so bad. I've wanted one for like a couple, like probably for like 2 years now. They so clean, but boy, that's another thing about living in a small town. People don't know how to drive. Like, well, I wouldn't say small town, but like that's the downside of just living. People don't know how to drive. Like, gang, it's a stop sign. Stop. Like, Well, I'm finna be home, so I'm gonna give y'all one more pull, and then we're gonna end it. I don't know why the exposure was so dark right there. That's on me. But dude, I just destroyed my gas mileage for y'all, so y'all should be happy. I dropped 0.5. I dropped 0.5 miles for y'all. And I don't play about my gas mileage, and y'all know that, because look at the, like, you see the gas prices right now? Like, it ain't cheap. But that's gonna end today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, because we're on the road to 500 subs by the end of the year. And we actually are over halfway. At this point, we're sitting at like 253, 254. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, because we are on the road to 500 subs. And yeah, I'm gone.
Hey, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Already ran through 100. Young niggas still riding around in a Honda. Rich nigga go bike a ride. Broke nigga spray on, don't take a bonner. This bitch just wanna fuck cause the last nigga put her through so much trauma. She saw the life out of me in the bathroom. I thought this bitch was a plunger. I was in Cali with Crips on Great Street. Nigga keep screaming with cracking. I did a feature in Houston. Y'all niggas still sitting on your ass. That's why you ain't Athens. She do a spit on the dick. Said back in the day she grew up doing gymnastics. Come from the hood. Young turn nigga don't know nothing. Trap house fucking the ratchet. We was in Hollywood. I ain't go Hollywood. Just know the money gon' change a nigga. We be the nigga on cam and sending the Vlad. You wanna get famous, nigga. We in the club. Son said he like that chain. You walking out chainless, nigga. I don't even know what it is in the backseat. Rocking the ski. He nameless, nigga. He nameless, nigga. They don't even know how I'm coming. I'm having a trick on my sleeve. As soon as I get mine off, I call her a ride. I'm begging this bitch to leave. Mexican blend. I'm having cheese. 10-year bitch to free Lil Steve. 1.1. You can't even show me a nigga. This bitch with a million strings. Nigga said show me a 10. Okay, cool. I fuck around, pull out a 40. She wanna fuck out 100. Tryna get me horny. I pop one early this morning. House shit purple, it look like Barney. Fur on the slide, but these whole money. These niggas faking the life they live. I don't trust nothing, this shit so corny. Nigga faking the phone. Already ran through 100. Young niggas still riding around in a Honda. Rich nigga go bike a ride. Broke nigga spray on, don't take a bonner. This bitch just wanna fuck cause the last nigga put her through so much trauma. She saw the life out of me in the bathroom. I thought this bitch was a plunger. I was in Cali with Crips on Great Street. Nigga keep screaming with cracking. I did a feature in Houston. Y'all niggas still sitting on your ass. That's why you ain't Athens. She do a spit on the dick. Said back in the day she grew up doing gymnastics. Come from the hood. Young turn nigga don't know nothing. Trap house fucking the ratchet.